You don't really need a big elaborate tool set. I actually find myself using this more than anything. This is just a tool set I keep in my car. It's got everything that I need. And if I don't need this, then I've got my toolbox here with a couple things missing, but most of it's there. Today we've got the bike inside. It's oil change time again. It says every 6 months. Got 1,371 miles on it. Did the first service at 600. Well, it was like 598. But now it's time to do second service. We got oil change, filter change, and gasket change. Looks like I'm due for a chain cleaning too. Right here on the kickstand side, we have our 12mm bolt we need to take out. Got my little plastic container underneath. Ooh, look how black that is. Now we need to come on the filter side and take off these 4 8mm bolts. So once you get those 4 bolts out, pull the cover off. I'll set that on the rag. Then our filter comes out. This just pulls out. Then remove the gasket. Don't forget to wipe down the area that you're working on because oil's going to spill in your crankcase here. Take your new filter, give it a tiny dab of oil on the O-ring. Push the filter back on, take the cover and the gasket, put it on so everything lines up, and then put your screws in. Make sure these are torqued correctly. Then go back to the kickstand side, the left side of the bike. Give the area a good cleaning. Take your bolt and your new washer, put them in, and tighten them down to the correct torque spec. Now it's time to add the oil. I've got my crude funnel here, and we'll just add it in. I've added the oil, and it's a little bit past the line. I did add a little bit too much, but shouldn't be a problem. Worst case scenario, just take a little bit out. Don't forget to clean up the kitchen floor so your wife can't get mad at you. And that's it. That's how you change the oil on the 2017 Honda Rebel 300. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check in the description down below for my Patreon page. If you can help the channel out, that'd be much appreciated. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.